The Clarke MIG106 gas or no-gas dual-purpose MIG welder is ideal for automotive repair and fabrication work. This easy-to-set-up MIG welder features a professional-style non-live torch, which allows the torch to be put down without the risk of sparking, plus turbofan cooling that allows longer periods of welding at full power. It features a hinge side door for easy access to the wire, and a switched power selector and fully variable wire speed control for even easier use. The MIG106 will produce excellent results in various conditions and can weld mild steel up to 4 mm thick. It comes supplied with everything you need to start welding, including a professional-style torch assembly and an earth clamp and cable. Inside the case are accessories, including a face shield, 0.9 mm flux cord welding wire for no-gas welding, 0.6 mm welding wire, gas bottle mounting brackets, an assortment of tips, a combined chipping hammer and wire brush, plus an easy-to-follow, step-by-step instruction manual. Fitting a CO2 gas bottle and a gas regulator along with solid welding wire enables conventional MIG welding. This first-class welder is versatile too and can also be used to weld stainless steel when used with the appropriate gas and wire. The MIG106 is supplied with a standard 13 amp 230 volt plug, and the case features extra tough protective edging to provide extra robustness. A wide range of Clarke consumables are also available for this welder, including tips, shrouds, gas bottles, and wire ranging from 0.6 to 0.9 mm in thickness. Clarke accessories include welding cards and clamps, plus Clarke safety equipment such as fume extractors, gauntlets, blankets, screens and aprons, as well as a large range of arc-activated masks. These masks give you the convenience of clear visibility when aligning the welding torch, then full, instant automatic protection when the arc is struck. The Clarke MIG106, with power options of 40 to 100 amps, turbofan cooling for improved duty cycle and transformer life, fully variable electronic wire speed control, and thermal overload protection with auto reset. This welder will give you many years of great service.